Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own personal computer. Next, we're going to do the hard drive. Hard drive will go various amount of spots on your system. Some of them mount here. Some of them you can get a 5 1/4 mount, which will let it sit underneath the CD drive. This one actually goes right underneath the floppy drive here. So go ahead, you're going to slide it right into place. And again, you'll see how this lines up. You can push it all the way back, and then you'll see how it lines up. You got the screws right there on both sides. Same idea, depending on your personal feeling. Depends on how many of these screws that you really want to put into it. So I'll go ahead, just put one of these screws right now. Definitely one towards the back here, a little bit harder to get to. Sometimes if you pull it out a little bit, you can get it and then push it back into place a little bit more. You just get All right, just going to put that one in. Now this one, the hard drive, I did put in all 4 screws just because I had the screws. So like I said, it's totally up to you. So I have a screw here, and the screws on the other side now. And I can go ahead and make the proper connections. If you only have the one hard drive in, these drives usually come on the master connection. Your jumpers here, but if you have a couple drives, you're going to want it on slave. So you'll see the connectors back here, a little bit hard to see, but if you need to change them at all, the best way to do that is probably like either needle nose pliers just to grab it, or even like the little tweezers make really good to grab those and switch it whichever way you have to. It's listed on the drive and also in the drive's manual. First thing I'll do is go ahead and connect this right here, which is the hard drive connector. Again, it only goes one way here. Now this one, since I'm just gonna do it with a hard drive and a CD-ROM drive or DVD drive on the IDE 1 and IDE 2 or 0 and 1, so we don't have to do anything. But you could always do it if you want to just do it on one IDE connector. You can put your hard drive here and the DVD drive here. Just make sure the hard drive's on master, the DVD's on slave. So again, it only goes in one way. And the hard drive is a little bit easier because, of course, it goes in the one way, but when you plug in your power connection, the reds are always going to line up. So you got your red on the power right here, goes to the red line right here. Go ahead, it goes in nice and quick and easily. That's connected right there.